BIL. So me love my team, living my life and together we defend it. So me love my team, limit is the sky and me fuck up every minute. Love my team, love my team, love my team. And we not pretend it. No. Well, let me introduce you to the new project. R.I.P. on Inspire. This is the V6. And clean her up now because she under like this metal shed thingy and bare rust leak down on it and Ray. I mean, she not too bad still. I mean, it running good still. You give it a service. The interior still like in good condition, like all the wood grain and thing not cracked. The roof, the line are coming down a little bit and get like shampooed and vacuumed out, but besides that, she alright. We need to find some rims, B. But a guy in the Toothepaste stocks, Euro R stocks, CL9 stocks hit me up. If they aftermarket rims, if they for a decent price, I try and like trade these 16s, these stock rims with money for some rims. So if I don't know anybody, just hit me up still. So let me get to cleaning her. I don't know if I could see that, but you see all that, that's dirt. That clean part, that's dirt. I need soaked it up and then I just pot washing it right now. Cleaned her up. Could see the pearl popping again. She got a couple little spots and things. There's things like this. You can use the touch-up paint and, you know, go over it and get the headlight buff, the grill, because you know you got a little water spots. And I'll clean the engine bay yet. That's another day thing. Sun hardening came on. But this little thing, she hide off. Oh no, don't worry about that. Oh no, don't worry about that. Alright, so day 2 having this car. I don't really got much to do right now because everything hasn't come into effect yet. While we got her park up in the yard, do 1-2 things like these headlights and fog lights, as you can see, and this grill, watermarks everywhere. I don't know about the little chrome lining. Yeah, them too. The little chrome lining got watermarks all over it like this. So today I'm going to be trying to bring these headlights back to life with an old YouTube hack with toothpaste and baking soda. Hopefully it works. I don't know. And then I'm going to polish the chrome trims with metal polisher that I use for basically everything. And just let me give one another look. See that? Yellow. Can't see in there. Let me try to get this around before Paula come out here and see me using off her toothpaste on on headlights. So then when you didn't tape it up, yo, because this is not no buffing cream, this is toothpaste and baking soda. I don't think this would damage any. I mean, to the professional way would be to tape it up, but like do my things nigger rig, you understand? I don't know if this is the safest thing to do, but they're not made out of glass, they're made out of plastic, so I guess I can work it in with a toothbrush. I mean, if it gets scuffed up, ain't nothing to like actually buff it out or, you know, wet sand it and get it clear over, but try something out. If it work, it working. If it's your car and you're not worried about making mistakes, do it. That's how you learn, and it's called DIY projects. You want your car perfect, bring it to a professional. Or bring it to me. It's like, well, it been, I didn't even check the time, boy. I just went inside and came back out. No, I'm honestly hard up, but oh, should I leave the toothpaste up? Yeah, Paula going to cost. Yellow. And then I'm going to rub it too in the head of it. I mean, to down one, I mean, I mean, you know, it kinda does look. Look at that one yellow. This one look black, and it dry now. It works. I guess I yellow, yeah. I'm gonna try something that not supposed to be done, but I just feel like trying it. You're gonna put the metal polish on the headlight and see if it polish it. But yo, if this work, swear to God, and I can't say nothing to me, but I need my ratings if this work. Metal polisher is on it. Let's try something. But yo. You see that? That just the first coat. I didn't even polish this thing properly. Supposed to let this thing sit and dry. I just rubbed this to see what would happen. It working, dog. It working, bro. No joke. Made a little paste out of the baking soda and toothpaste. Even though toothpaste is already a paste, but made a paste out of the baking soda and toothpaste. I put some on the grill. I don't know why. Just felt like because I can polish the grill by hand anyway, so just maybe that would take out some of the water spots and help me. I don't know. Alright, so I applied the metal polishing cream on it and make it sit there for a little bit, and I'll go over it with a microfiber and see what I can get out of it. Alright, to my people out there, yo, I know you'd be getting excited over this dumbest stuff, but yo, look at this. Yo. Yo, I know you could see my reflection. Just keep rubbing it till it. Watch out. Elbow grease, my youth. Hold on there, wait till I'm done with this. Okay then, look at that. That's just the first coat. Yo, I'm just. Look at the flick of my blood clot. Well, I put the metal polishing cream, whatever thing on top of the headlights, fog lights, some on that. I don't know why that made no sense. And on the grill, again, I make it dry, and then I'm gonna get to the rubbing and see how it comes out. Yep, this is the end result. It actually like, it came out good. I'm gonna polish these little side trim so you know they shining now too. Headlights not act like gloss or nothing, but they clear now, like you can see their headlights. And then the yellow, the fog lights came out way better. They were yellow. The grill, of course, look at that, shining. Yeah, we're gonna end the vlog here. Yeah, a little rough, so what. Before I end the vlog, we'll do a little walk around with the car. And just say I got some things coming, so whenever I get what I get, then I'm gonna get what I get. You know, so see what happens. Busy way, you're done now.
Hey, I saw me turn up the place. Brownie, I said she want me touch her face. She said nothing left for waste. Everything for touch her face. Money day in a Louis bag, so we want some with time. If you know where the cam, better go to your yard. You know what I know war, you know what we do that. You know what we do that, just make a rich and big money.
Well, look what just came in the mail.